Beis is coming out with elevated versions of 2 of their accessories, and I'm so excited to share them with you. It's Leah, your professional organizer, giving you hacks, inspiration, and reviews to help you get and stay organized in your home and on your vacation. I'll leave the links to all my social media handles down below because I give you a little something different on each of the platforms. If you like what I'm sharing here on YouTube, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and thank you to all my returning subscribers. Hello, how are you doing? Beis is coming out with elevated versions of 2 of their accessories, and I'm so excited to share them with you. They have a new cosmetics case and new packing cubes coming out, so let's take a look. First, I'm going to show you the in-flight cosmetics case, and I'll make a separate video for the new packing cubes that are coming out. The in-flight cosmetics case isn't actually just one case, it's 2 cases, and it's a spin off of the on-the-go essentials case, which has been my favorite of theirs for years now, but I've never given you a review on it, so let's do that now. It's one case with 2 sides. The outside is faux leather and PVC, and the lining is polyester so you can spot treat it. The clear PVC helps you go through security in stricter airports. It has a handle so it's easy to carry, and my favorite part is the way that the case is set up with 2 separate sides that fully unzip, so you won't be doing all that digging to find the thing you're looking for like you do with all those Dopp kits that have one big opening and a pocket or 2 on the sides. You know what I'm talking about, and you know it's annoying. One side says, let's go, and the other says, we're here, because it was created to separate what you use during your flight and what you use on your trip. And I honestly do not use it that way. I like to put makeup on one side and skincare and toiletries on the other. I've also put makeup, skincare, and toiletries on one side and intimates and low socks in the other. You can play with it and do whatever works for you and your pack. It's essentially a really small, sturdy, double-sided packing cube. This case is 7.5 inches wide, 5 1/4 inches deep, 3.5 inches high, so each side is 1 3/4 inches high, which is just a little bit smaller than the small case in the in-flight cosmetics case that's 2 inches high, but the same width and depth. This smaller case has a little mirror in it, which the on-the-go essentials case also has, but I haven't been able to use it because I stored it for however many years in the PVC and it's stuck. So this time I'm going to store it in the actual case so I can use that mirror. The second in-flight case is larger. It's 9 inches wide, 6 1/4 inches deep, and 3 inches high. This one has a handle and the small one doesn't. To store the cases, you just put one inside the other to take up less space. The big draws of this case are they're square, so they fit really easily into square bags like suitcases or a lot of duffels. Packing is like Tetris, so you really want your pieces to fit nicely. These cases are a wipeable material and they're clear PVC on both sides, so that might be even better than the on-the-go essentials case for cleaning and for walking through airport security. And you get 2 cases in one, so the idea behind the 2 cases is you take the small one with you in flight, hence the name. It's obviously not a new concept for Beis. We just talked about how half of the on-the-go essentials case is intended for this. It's just really bulky to bring with you to your seat, and this one's smaller, so instead of bringing something like a Ziploc bag with you to your seat that can contain all of your in-flight essentials, this could really work for you. You can pack things like your motion sickness medicine, hand sanitizer, hand lotion, a snack, headphones, and anything you want with you in flight into this case separately, so you're not that person that's standing up when the seatbelt sign is on and getting the whole cabin in trouble. And if there's any room after you have your in-flight essentials in here and you want to fill it up, you can go ahead and put like toiletries for the trip if you want. If you bring the small case in flight, then you can bring the large one in your bag, and you can pack that with things that you would pack in your cosmetics bag, like makeup, toiletries, skincare, that sort of thing. It is larger than the on-the-go essentials case, but it's one big space, so it might be harder to find particular things when you're on your trip, but you can fit more and you can fit larger products that you would bring with you in like a check bag, and that just might be what's more important to you. Having 2 cases gives us a lot of packing options. You don't have to bring the small one in flight. You can pack the small one in your bag. You can pack both cases in your bag. You can pack one in a carry-on bag and one in a personal item, or you can pack one or the other. You can pack one with toiletries and the other with intimates or electronics. Essentially, whatever you need a square box or 2 for, here you go. And it comes in black and beige. The in-flight cosmetic case is currently only available in the Beis Holiday pop-up shop in New York City through December 3rd if you want to see it before you buy it or if you need it right away. And once it becomes available online, I'll share the links to everywhere you can buy it in the description box below. And that's the new in-flight cosmetic case by Beis. If you liked this video, I appreciate you taking a second to hit the like button and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next time.